Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. I've made a small change here to the wave count. The idea is still that we have a good chance of heading down lower in this third wave highlighted here in yellow. But obviously, as you will have realized, XRP is very stubborn, doesn't really want to go down further, and the move down looks fairly corrective. So I cannot rule out other interpretations at this stage. As I communicated before, it is not a wave count I'm super convinced about, but it's the best we've got. And already explained before, a break above 54.1 cent, the 78.6 retracement of the larger wave 2, which topped on the 22nd of June, would probably unlock way higher prices into the low 70 cent region. Not necessarily be bullish, short-term bullish, yes, but it would rather still be a corrective move to the upside. Nevertheless, we take it level by level here on the XRP chart. And after we reacted to this resistance area, which we identified, came down in 5 waves. I consider this now a leading diagonal in a wave 1. But it looks very corrective, but it counts as a 5-wave move down, and it fits into the bigger picture. So certainly could be a wave 1 to the downside in a 5-wave move. Now we're looking at a possible wave 2 pullback, which in an ideal world stays below the 78.6 retracement of that wave 1 leading diagonal. Here we talk about resistance between 50.28 cents and 51.67 cents. So this is the area that we don't really want to get wave 2 to go beyond. If it breaks above 51.67 cents, something more bullish may be going on. It's the first sign that the wave count needs to be revised. But for now, I think the focus can remain on lower. There is now some very short-term potential for price to push higher again, in a corrective move only though. That would be the primary expectation, for it to move higher in something that we could consider an ABC structure as part of the wave 2. Again, it should not exceed 51.6 cents. It doesn't need to go up that high, but certainly should avoid to go above that 78.6 retracement. In here, the expectation would be for it to turn down and break down in a third wave. Important breakdown point and confirmation level that we are in the third wave would be a break below the X wave low, which was made on the 20th of June at 47.1 cent. And below that, we've got 45.6. That's an even more important support level. Yeah, this is sort of the situation we're dealing with. It's a bit of a range. It's very choppy. It's very corrective to the upside. It's corrective to the downside, but can be counted as a leading diagonal. So I do expect this count to change, and you should as well. There is not a clear edge at the moment, but I mean, okay, this worked out nicely. Let's see if this pullback area works out nicely, but it's not following through to the downside as it ideally should, which is always a sign that something else might be going on. The count may morph, and if we see any changes, we will make you aware, of course. And again, it could then unlock prices into the low 70 cent region, but we would have to reset the B wave higher if we really break above the relevant resistance levels. But yeah, the pivot point should be clear. The targets to the upside should be clear. The resistances should be clear. So let's see if it eventually will follow through to the downside. Yeah, that's my update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.